Today I'm gonna give you the top 5 tips to grind really fast. And well, yeah, if you found this really helpful, please gift me perms and subscribe my channel. So yeah, let's start. The first tip is the Buddha food. Yeah, well, I'm not using the Buddha food, but it's really good for grinding, and as it does allow any M1, so it's super good for grinding. So, save up your belly for the Buddha food, and in the stock dealer you can buy that, or at the shop you can buy that for the 1,650 Robux. And well, yeah, let's move on. This is the second tip: asking someone else for help. Help me and get fruit. And like that, someone would just accept and will help you grind. Well, I don't need anyone to grind, so let's move on. And this is the third tip: double XP code. Yeah, this is really important. You can buy it in the store, like the 15 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. Or this is more worth, which is like 2x mastery. That's a really good and well, yeah. Well, 2x mastery is really good too, but you can use, like, you can take these stuff and then you can like grind more faster, or you can buy you can use the, what is that, double XP codes in the reward codes and the gifts. I'll just see my video called as all working codes for 2025 by Ayushman 4100. In that you can see all the codes for 2025, and most of them contain the double XP mastery thing. So well, yeah, next one. The next thing is save belly for fruits, like especially the Buddha fruit, dough fruit, and the gas fruit, because it's really good. Yep, as I said, save belly and do not roll from this gacha. Where's the guy? Okay, let us roll. And as I roll, alright, random fruit, and then I got a rocket fruit. Wow. So, never roll from the gacha. He's too much. He does waste just waste money. Nothing else. Who's that guy who gave me a falcon? Wait, do you have falcon? Yep, I have. And well, let's move on. The next one is Logia fruits, like my light fruit. There are many fruits which are now displaying on the screen, so see them, they're all the Logia fruits. And well, there's an ability like Logia fruits if some NPCs like the Swan Pirates or Raiders or even some NPCs. So you're gonna use the Logia fruits. This is really like the second best for grinding. Let me show you how it blocks some NPCs and users who don't have aura, like this. And come on, let's go. Okay, I have my life fruit, and then I'm going near this zombie. Of course, as you can see, it doesn't. I am not getting hit, as the zombie doesn't have the aura ability. See, he cannot even defeat me, but me, I can. Right? So Logia fruits are also really good for grinding, like the Buddha fruit. Or if you don't have enough money or Robux to purchase the Buddha fruit, you can just use any Logia fruit, as I mentioned on the screen. Okay, if you found this really helpful, please subscribe and send me gifts. My username is catnapbro220. And well, yeah, bye bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this.